So guys, I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me right now, but we're at this crazy waterfall. I'll show you guys in a minute, but sorry to intro the vlog. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And last night was, I just kind of stuttered a little there. Last night was pretty dope. I showed you guys my house, and there's my dad. So yeah, we're at this crazy waterfall, and it's kind of cold outside. It's like 60 degrees, and in Missouri right now, it's like 100 or something. And there's water all over because it's raining. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll show you guys the fall in a little minute. So yeah, you guys go. Dang, bro. It's crazy over here, bro. Look at this, guys. This is insane. It's so beautiful. It's all nature-y and everything. Yeah, that's where I'm going. Look at this. The rocks, bro. This is insane. Look at all the green, dude. Whoa. Look at this. Hold on, let me wipe off my camera. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Not jumping off.
Take my picture.
Hold on. Getting through here. Woo! That was kind of steep though. But look at this. It's like the falls. It comes around through here. It goes down here. And it's over there and it stops right there. There's all the water that it leads to. I kind of want to go down there, but I don't think me and him can. Look at this, bro. This is insane. Dang, bro. Guys, like I said, this is insane. Sorry if you guys can't really hear me right now, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at my sister. She's insane.
Hey, yo, bro, we gotta get that groove, right?
Dang, bro. Bro, look at the mountain. I didn't even show you guys that part. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Look at the mountain. Oh my god. So beautiful. Very beautiful for a beautiful person. Guys, I'm sorry if I clickbaited this video. Jumping off a waterfall. That's probably what it is. Look at this, bro. This is insane, bro. Woohoo! The mountain almost fell. The mountain. The mountain is very high. Man. Amazing. Guys, we're leaving the waterfall. Going up this giant trail, and we're gonna go get some food. I believe it's like 1 o'clock or something. I'm really worn out because I jogged like a mile this morning. Or maybe 2. 1 there and 1 back, so 2. I gotta put the camera up for now. Oh my gosh, you can see the lake over there. But yeah, See you guys back at the house. I'm not home yet, guys, but I just wanted to take a little clip of the view of the mountain. Look at this. Why do I have a Chicago sweatshirt on? I should have a Colorado one on. Look at this, guys. This is insane. They're kind of meshal just sitting over there. Just chilling. There's my parents. All the way back there.
Hey.
Now, we'll see what we're doing for the rest of the day. Guys, change of plans. Look what they just spotted. Some deer. Can I zoom in?
Have a good time.
Can't zoom in. Show you guys in the rear view. Guys, look. It's Bambi. It's Bambi, guys. So guys, that's about it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, guys, I'm at the place for the next vlog. I'm starting the next vlog right now, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a like, and you guys know my outro. Stay flippin'. I didn't outro the last video because I forgot. But yeah, stay flippin'. Peace out, guys.